Assalamu alaikum. I'm Emran Hossain. I'm working in Daffodil International Professional Training Institute as a lecturer in IT department. In my last job, I worked in a software firm named Infoistic as a Java programmer. I got a scholarship from IDB Bisho on Java and completed it from Daffodil Institute of IT. I'm Oracle certified Java programmer. I have completed my SSC and HSC under Dhaka board on business studies and graduation and post-graduation from National University Bangladesh on accounting. Though I am a student of Daffodil Institute of IT, I got a chance to join as a lecturer in Daffodil International Professional Training Institute. For my self-development during COVID-19 pandemic situation, I have participated some courses from different online learning platforms such as Java, Python, MATLAB, IT support and Microsoft Excel. My specialization in Java, Android application, Python, web design and Microsoft Excel. Also, I am a member of Lions Club International. I was district president for the year 2019-2020 of Leo District Council, District 315, B2, Bangladesh. I support my students to get employed after complete our courses. Thank you.